Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Maddie.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Who's Mommy?
He's up under the chair.
He is under the chair. Do not move.
They have some of the red glass.
Where'd you going?
Look at Mommy.
Maddie. Where you going?
Hello.
Where'd you going? I see you wobbling.
See, I don't know. I'm
I
just
see
a
you
little kid
wobbling.
here.
I found it up in the attic where you temporarily stored it for 7 years.
Plus, they're competing in a huge costume contest today. Now, be on the lookout. We're going to be looking for the 3 best costumes in the audience. And you guys at home watch too, because the ultimate winner of our contest is up to you guys. We're going to pick the top 3. You guys call in, tell us who you want to win. And whoever wins is getting one of the coolest prizes we've ever given away. A trip for 2 to LA to see the premiere of the new Lord of the Rings film, The Two Towers. And they also get to meet the cast. So, we've got a lot going on here. Let's go home. Let's get into it. Let's get the countdown rolling. Back down a notch. It's number 10, Sum 41. Just still waiting.
Get up. Get up. Come on. Come on. There you go. Can you make it? Hey. Hey. You can't get on the couch. Hey. Yay. Hey. You got Kool-Aid on your shirt. Daddy done gave you some Kool-Aid.
Great song right there. Number 10, Sum 41, Still Waiting, dropping 1. By the way, they're going to be stateside for the launch of Spankin' New Music Week on Monday. Going to be hanging out with us. Now, we've all been trick-or-treating. Halloween's all about getting the candy, getting the treats. TRL, we've made our own version of trick-or-treat we have right here. As you can see, 2 boxes. One contains a trick, one contains a treat. And if you get the trick, you have to do something really crazy in front of all of America in our audience here. And if you get the...
Why don't he laugh at me?
Turn it on.
Boo.
It's a steam room. And once again,
Boo.
doctor's illegible.
Good spelling.
Is provide the pilot with all the information that he needs to know when he needs to know it.
Dylan.
But the most startling innovation.
Ooh, boy. Hold on. Where? Make me nervous. That pillow was back there. You don't even panic. You just gotta lay back up.
It's gonna be no joke.
There she goes. Do it. Do it. Nice. Nice.
You swear you had enough. You're ready to give up on that little lie they call love. Then now the blue clear sky falling right into your hand.
Yeah, we taught her how to dance today.
It's the last thing you had. And the next you're picking Daddy dance. This is my girlfriend. Oh, I love this girl.
Really want white? The Rembrandt Plus bleaching kit works below the surface of your teeth to whiten up to 10 shades. More whitening. Simple, easy, Rembrandt.
I gasped the first time I saw it and fought back tears. I cried, gave him a big kiss. It's like wearing his heart on my hand.
Keepsake means that it's a treasure.
It reminds me of our love for each other. Wow, it's breathtaking. I wouldn't trade this ring for anything. Because he chose it from his heart for my heart. The quality of Keepsake Diamond at a Walmart price. I'm excited about that. Keepsake and Walmart, that would be the perfect marriage.
Would just be made in heaven.
Just because a toothbrush is electric doesn't mean it works like a Sonicare. It has patented sonic technology. Sonicare keeps your teeth whiter and healthier in just 28 days. Guaranteed. See for yourself or ask your dental professional about the Sonicare difference. If you don't equate shopping with pure exhilaration, then where have you been shopping?
The pizza this deep, what more could you ask for? How about a deep discount on a second pizza? Now you can get any other medium pizza for the unbelievable price of just $2.99 when you order the Chicago dish. That's just $2.99 for your old favorite when you buy your new favorite. Pizza Hut, go deep.
Have your favorite Pizza Hut pizza delivered today. Pizza Hut, the best pizzas under one roof.
Dum da da da. Dum da da da.
Madison is stuck in the car seat. Madison, Madison, are you about stuck? Are you about stuck? Madison, hey, are you about stuck? Here I am. Hey.
Who's that?
Hold on, where you at? Keep still. Whoa.
Did you know their sex life is positive?
Look at that boy standing up.
Everybody say that. Whoops.
Tonight at 10, some big-name rappers lend a helping hand. Tonight we're
Straight
taking
leg,
you to a
whoa.
very special hip-hop.
Whoa.
Take a step. There he is.
Hey, hey.
About his sexuality, I've seen